Hello and welcome guys. Here is our first practice lecture. The goal is to install Metamask and create account in Rinkeby test network. I strongly recommend you to follow me and do things by yourself on your computer. You will get immediate hands-on experience and this will save you a lot of time in the future. Believe me, do not perceive these and all further lectures as bloggers' fun videos. Put your hands on your keyboard and let's go. Let's talk about Metamask first. Go to metamask.io. What is Metamask? Metamask is a bridge that allows you to visit distributed web of tomorrow in your browser today. It allows you to run Ethereum applications right in your browser without running a full Ethereum node. Please note, in order to use Metamask, you have to install Google Chrome, which you can get on google.com/chrome. Do not try to memorize all the links along the way. I provide you with all needed supplementary materials. Let's see an example to understand it. Go to decasttoken.herokuapp.com. It's a simple, silly app that communicates with a real blockchain network. Actually, you are going to create almost the same one, finally. As you can see, we are not able to see our address in the blockchain network as we don't have a Metamask bridge yet. So what are you waiting for? Let's go and install it. On metamask.io, press Get Chrome Extension button and then Add to Chrome. The browser installs the extension and finally you'll see a funny orange fox in top right corner of your browser. Press on the fox. It asks you to accept the fact that it's a beta version of software and also terms of use. After this, you see a main Metamask screen where you can create an account. Please change the network in top left corner of the panel to Rinkeby test network as you will use it in your app further. If you are curious about this network, you can go to rinkeby.io and check some stuff out there. Now enter your new password and press Create. I've already done that, so I will simply restore my account. Here it is. Do you remember a simple silly app in the beginning where you couldn't see your blockchain network address? Let's go there and see what is happening now. As you can see, the app got my address from network. I even have some tokens. Now let's go to a Metamask panel, press 3 dots, and then view account on Etherscan. You are now transferred to rinkeby.etherscan.io, which is an app that allows you to view some blockchain network stuff like contracts, transactions, etc. As you can see, your address is the same you have seen on Simple app earlier. That's it for now. In the next video, I'll show how to get some free Ether and send it to anybody. I strongly recommend you to create your Metamask account right now if you haven't created it yet, and only after this watch the next lecture. It will take you less than 5 minutes, however, it's very helpful to get hands-on experience.